Welcome back everyone, it's Connor from up here at Snow Performance, and today we're going to be taking a look at everything you need to assemble your own hoses. First, we're going to be taking a look at our Ptfe hose ends. Then we have our new black nylon braided stainless steel Ptfe hose. And lastly, we're going to be taking a look at our 3AN to 16AN wrench set. Our hose ends come in sizes from 6AN, 8AN, and 10AN, and there are also 4 options available per size depending on what you need for your build. First, we have our straight hose ends. Next, we have our 45-degree hose ends. We also have 90-degree hose ends. And finally, we have 180-degree hose ends. All of these fittings are anodized in black to fight corrosion while still maintaining that sleek look. They're also for use with our stainless steel braided Ptfe hoses, or like I said, our new black nylon braided stainless steel Ptfe hose. This line has a durable stainless steel outer shell with a Ptfe, or Teflon as you may know it, inner liner. This liner is compatible with any type of fuel you can think of, including gasoline, E85, E100, methanol, diesel, etc. This inner liner doesn't break down like rubber hoses do, and it also eliminates that fuel vapor smell that you get with old school rubber hoses. This line also has a smaller diameter than comparable rubber lined stainless hoses, which makes it easier to route through tight spaces. These hoses are sold in bulk and cut to length, so that way you can get the exact size that you need for your build. We do have a separate video on how to assemble these hoses and hose ends down in the description below. Speaking of assembling the hoses and ends, Snow Performance now has aluminum AN wrenches that will help you assemble your hose ends without damaging or scratching the product. These come as a complete set from 3AN to 16AN, and these are also anodized black to fight corrosion and maintain that sleek look that we love here. You can find out more information on all of these products at www.snowperformance.net. Thank y'all for watching, and I'd love to see y'all next time.